What's up, everyone? Happy New Year, happy 2021. Hope everyone's enjoying the new year so far. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Jordan 12s, the Flu Games. Let's check it out. Alright, so I actually ordered these from Foot Locker. It was the only place that I could find them in stock that wasn't over the asking price of retail. Look at that. So this is a pair of shoes that I've always wanted since I was a kid. The reason these are called Flu Game is because Jordan wore these during the, I believe it was like the 96, 97 finals. And he had said that he didn't feel good, but he still put in his uniform, still played, and the Chicago Bulls still won against the Utah Jazz. So I used to always want a pair of these shoes. I mean, I always thought they were pretty cool. I was like 14, 15 at that time. I mean, I couldn't afford these. My parents can afford these. And I grew up in Chicago, so these are kind of cool to me. But, yeah, I mean, they're pretty dope. You know, the skin's pretty soft. They look pretty much like the original Flu Games. If you can see that. So you've got the 2, 3 in the tag, Jordan logo there. We've got these little black lace holders here. Extra pair of red laces in the package. We've got the all black bottom with that red logo. For me, pretty much all I wear is red and black. So these shoes are perfect. They match literally everything that I own. But yeah, I mean, these are cool. If you can find them online, I think they're going for like $240 and up right now. I mean, these are definitely worth getting if you want to just hold on to them or whatever. But they are pretty cool looking. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these. If you already got a pair, if you don't got a pair, if you plan to buy a pair, so let me know what you think. Hopefully we can see all that. Let me take a look at this camera real quick. I'm gonna give you a little close up, bro, here, just to make sure you can see. You can get a look at that. At that suede. I don't know if it's suede, but it does feel like it. It is definitely a soft material. Little Jumpman print on the side. The 23 all on the back. These are those black sodas I was talking about. But yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Again, Happy New Year. And thanks for watching this video. Alright guys, definitely let me know what you think about the Flu Game, the 12s. I'll answer any questions or comments in the comments. Pick up one of these shirts right here. I'll leave a link in the description. This is definitely our new age flu known as COVID. This actually is a Scarface, and instead of that money he had on that table, it's the toilet paper and the hand sanitizer. So check it out. I'll leave a link. Anyway, peace. Happy New Year.